Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen at home. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, crucial for maintaining strong skin, flexible joints, and healthy connective tissues. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, leading to visible signs like wrinkles and joint stiffness. Making your own collagen-rich bone broth is a fantastic, economical way to replenish these levels, offering numerous benefits for your skin, hair, nails, and gut health. Let's dive into the simple steps to create this nourishing elixir. To begin your homemade collagen journey, selecting the right bones is key. Aim for a mix of beef marrow bones, knuckle bones, or even chicken feet and wings, as these are rich in collagen and gelatin. A good ratio is about 70% joint bones and 30% marrow bones. You will also need fresh vegetables such as carrots, onions, and celery, along with a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This acidic addition aids in drawing out the beneficial compounds from the bones. Once your ingredients are prepared, it's time for the slow simmering process. First, blanch your bones by boiling them for about 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Next, roast the bones and vegetables at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes to enhance their flavor. Combine everything in a large pot, cover with water, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and simmer gently for a minimum of 12 hours, up to 24 hours, or even 48 hours in a slow cooker. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface. After patiently simmering, your collagen-rich broth is ready for the final steps. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve to separate all the solids, leaving you with a clear liquid. It is crucial to cool the broth rapidly to room temperature. An ice bath can help speed this up. You can refrigerate your homemade collagen for up to 5 days. For extended use, freeze it in smaller portions, ensuring you leave about 1.5 to 2 inches of headspace in your containers for expansion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.